Welcome to my office. This is cause of growth. It's not the best, but it's what we're dealing with, and it doesn't stop us from doing what we do best. So here we are. We've been in business now for almost 12 years. We've really outgrown this space significantly, and we're finally at the moment where we are building our own building and our own headquarters. We had the opportunity to fully knock this building down, but it is a great space and there is a lot of great bones here that we thought, you know what, let's keep it, let's work with it.
Originally, the plan was to salvage and renovate. We realized that it was going to be more of a make-work project, so we made the decision to demo the entire building. So now we have a clean, fresh slate for structural steel, and then that will expedite the construction process and the schedule.
So excited about the growth of the team and the growth of the building. I had no idea that we would outgrow this so quickly.
It can be very stressful being the project manager of our own project because you are also the client.
With everyone in the office being designers and working in their own departments, everyone's been putting their own touches on the design, and you're going to see that style come through in the end.
Our team has grown even stronger. We've integrated more with landscape architecture, interior design, furniture design. Our construction crew is very sound. Looking forward to growing even further and being in a new space where we can collaborate, learn, and create great products.
What we're constantly trying to do as a company is really think about the experience that people are having when they're working with us. Yes, we're going to provide a design and we're going to put these packages together and we're going to get you through kind of the checklist of requirements, but what does that experience look like? The idea of being able to bring them into a really beautiful, comfortable space, provide some hospitality, and make that whole process enjoyable is going to be so much better in our new office space. I think being able to provide our team the state-of-the-art space and the state-of-the-art tools and all of these things to really expand creativity, it's just going to accelerate us into another level that we just haven't had the chance because we've been sort of working with what we've got to this point. We are a team of designers, and to be able to have input into our own office and really get into the functionality and the design aesthetic of this space is so cool to have our stamp on our own space. There's a lot of memories here. A lot of our people, this was their first desk with us, and we really grew in here, and we've had a lot of meetings, a lot of team days, and a lot of collaboration with clients and all this cool stuff. We're really excited to not only expand the building, but to continue expanding our team and really make this place our home.